In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with the branded app by Wix. From your Wix dashboard. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and head to your Wix dashboard. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you can access the site and settings you want to work with. Using Chrome helps ensure the dashboard loads smoothly and that all Wix features display properly during the setup process. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation panel. This is where Wix organizes the key areas of your site management, including design, content, marketing, and additional tools. Since we're focusing on mobile app setup, you'll want to look through this left side menu until you find the option labeled Mobile App. Go ahead and click Mobile App. This opens the section where Wix provides tools and options related to creating and managing your app experience. If you don't see it right away, scroll carefully through the navigation panel and make sure you're still in the main dashboard view. Taking an extra second here can help you avoid clicking into the wrong section. After you enter the mobile app area, look for the option called Branded App by Wix. This is the feature that allows you to begin the setup process for a custom branded mobile app connected to your Wix site. Under that option, you should see a button labeled Get Started. Click Get Started to move forward. This action begins the onboarding flow for the branded app by Wix, where you'll be guided through the next stage of setup directly inside the platform. At this point, you've successfully reached the correct starting place for building your branded mobile app. As a quick tip, if the page takes a moment to load, you give it a few seconds before clicking again. Double-clicking or refreshing too quickly can sometimes interrupt the process. It's also a good idea to confirm that your browser is updated, since that can improve performance while working inside Wix. That's it for this step. You've now opened your Wix dashboard in Chrome, accessed the mobile app section from the left side navigation panel, and selected Get Started under Branded App by Wix. From here, you're ready to continue with the app setup process in Wix.